Yeah, welcome to FXPG Global Limited. Today is 6th of March 2023, and this analysis is for 6th of March to 10th of March 2023. And here is the analysis. We are looking at dollar index, all right, and dollar index has gotten to this major OB on daily time frame. And from here, we're expecting a kind of a pullback before any movement to the upside. So, but then what we want to see a kind of correction before a move to the upside. And that is the reason why when it got here, it began to do what? Break through to the downside. But this is a correction down. It is not yet a reversal. So when it corrected down, we'll be expecting a push to the upside. But then the question here is, where will it go to the upside? Based on what we are looking at here on price action, we have seen that market have this particular pullback, this particular long candle here, and open a kind of a fair value gap. Want this market trade into this and take away this low, which has happened already. So want to see them possibly trade back to the particular level here during the London section, because we would like to see them do a kind of a manipulation to take away this initial level here for those who showed early. So after taking away the particular liquidity, then they will now drop back down to take away this trend line liquidity that we're looking at and possibly got mitigated here before they move to the upside. And this is what we're looking at. So we want to see them, go to the upside, that kind of a take away this liquidity here that we'll see, then take away this down liquidity here, then come back, mitigate this on this particular block. Then from here, we'll be expecting to see them go to the upside. That is what we'll be expecting here. Then if you go to EURUSD, now EURUSD, we have seen what is happening on EURUSD. As you can see, EURUSD broke a market structure here on this level here to the upside. So we want to see EURUSD do same. That is come up here after breaking this structure here. It pulled back, it came to the other block, and then here became a kind of an inducement level here. We would like to see this market, when this market open, we want to see them kind of sell a little. If you go to 2 hours time frame, you see we'll have a block here. So we want to see them come back to the particular block. Then from this block, we want to see them go up to take away this liquidity for those who sold early. And then gold mitigated here. Once they are mitigated here, we'll be expecting to see them sell down to take away all this trend line liquidity that we'll see here. Once they are done with this, I will be expecting this market to move to start going to the upside, entering from this particular level here, or possibly go mitigate, just use the particular level here that has not been mitigated to the upside. And that is what I'll be expecting. Then from this level here, I'll be expecting to see the kind of a reaction, what they want to do on higher time frame. Then from there, I can now decide to know if this market still want to go down or you want to kind of correct to the upside. But this is what I'll be expecting to see this particular week. I'll be expecting to see them give us this particular move, then possibly come down here before we start going to the upside. That is what I'll be expecting. Then going to GBPUSD, actually I've been on this trade from this level here. I took this trade from this level here. So, and I'm actually looking at this level, though I took partials here. I took partials on this particular block here. I took partials. Then I want to see them trade into this level. They took away this particular high. Then when they hit this level, I'll be expecting them to come down, to come and pull back into the particular OB on 2 hours. 4 hours. There's OB here. Maybe in 1 hour I saw it. Yeah, there's an OB here in 1 hour. So I want to see them mitigate this level here. So this what we'll have here, this is a kind of an Asia range. And this particular Asia range, of course, we should know that market makers will not just take this trade straight up to where they're going. So they would like to possibly come back down, hit this low, trade into this fair value gap here, we'll have here, then go to the upside here, take away this liquidity, then give us a pattern. All right, for those of us that took our BTMM course, of course, we now expect a 3 push down to come and mitigate here. From here, we'll start having our push again to the upside. So if you miss this particular move here, please always wait for this market to pull back between here to here, take your Fibonacci, then 50% here, then you can take a trade to go to the upside. That is what we'll be expecting. So for GBPUSD, I will be taking this trade long. I'll be going long on GBPUSD. So I'm going back to my 4-hour chart. So this is what we want to see them do on this particular pair. And let's go straight to the gold. Then if you watch gold, you will see that gold played out exactly as we analyzed it last week. Then here, what next we're expecting is to see them pull back down. But I would like to see them take away this high. All right, we'll have a kind of high here. I want to see them take away this high. Those liquidity need to be taken out. So because of this liquidity that need to be taken out, I would like to see them trade into this fair value gap here. Once they enter this fair value gap, I will expect them to flood this liquidity up. And once that is done, then I'll know that these guys really want to come down. Then I can now come down with them to kind of have at least 50% retracement from here to here to get to my OTE level. Then I can move to the upside with them. So what I'll be expecting to see, I'll be expecting this guy to take this trade to the downside. Then from here, I'll go long. So if they take away this liquidity, good sign for me. I'll look for short to come down with them a bit before going to the upside, right? But then I'm going to take this trade long. I'm going to go long on this trade. And what I'll be expecting here is this. Of course, we have this. This has taken out liquidity here and structure has been broken and market has returned back to the other block here. So I took this trade here last week and I was able to catch good move here. So what I will be expecting here to see is I would like to have a kind of a correction down then to the upside to take away this liquidity. And if you go to higher time frame, you find out that this is a fair value gap, all right? It's a fair value gap here also on 4 hours. But when this market hits here, I'll be looking for to go on sell, aggressive sell to take away this liquidity here. So I will be selling this particular market. So once here, I will be looking for a sell setup to go down. Then for USD CAD is performing as I analyzed it. All right. So all the way from here. So we've been on this trade all the way from here. And this has been going so smoothly. And here we'll have this. I told us that this was going to happen last week, and this was what we got. So I'm seeing on this particular trade, and also I'm also expecting this guy to take it to the upside. So I will still be expecting that these guys are going to go to the upside. If they did not trade into this fair value gap here, that we'll have here, of course, I wouldn't be thinking of selling this market. So I'll be expecting this guy to go long, all right, to tap this particular, go into the particular fair value gap that will have your higher time frame. Then before then, I will be looking for to stick this rate to downside. And also USDCHF, same thing. That it took a structure, it broke out this structure, it broke this structure here, all right. And when it tapped into this FVG, it pulled back down to take away this low. And this low is almost taken out, as you can see. So we're expecting them to come down to this particular level. So once this gets to this particular level, I'll be looking for a buy setup, all right. Ordinarily for break of market structure, return back, this is kind of a kind of a retracement. Then I'll be going long. Then if you take your Fibonacci from here, let's say you take your Fibonacci from this swing here to this level here, you find that this is a very good zone for this market. So I want to see them come down a bit, all right, to like 61%. Then from here, I will take a trade to the upside. If it gives me a setup to take a trade to the upside, of course, I'll do that. And also, look, if you watch here, you'll find out that that's high probability of this market coming to tap into this particular level. So if I don't see a buy setup here, I'll be expecting a buy setup here. But the buy setup here, if I get the buy setup here, I should also know that this market has actually changed up. It's now coming down. So I will be expecting to take my profit somewhere here. So if it gets to this level, I'm expecting to take my profit here if I'm going to long it, all right. And from here, I'll be looking for a sell setup. So, but for now, I want to see this guy come. I don't want to see them break this level. If they break this level, then on 4-hour time frame, you know, the dosing has actually changed. The trend has actually changed. So, but for now, we are going to long this market. When it gets here, we'll look for a buy setup to go long. So let's see manipulation here. Then the next one is NZD USD. NZD-USD, I want to see NZD-USD trade back down to take away this liquidity here, all right? Trade back down, tap into this particular OB that we'll have here. Then from here, I will go longer. And from this level here, I'll be looking forward to short this market down. That is what I will be expecting from this particular trade. Then the next one is NASDAQ. NASDAQ performed well. As you can see, it broke this structure, it took away this liquidity and grabbed this liquidity that we have here. Then after that, it broke structure to the upside. So I would like to see a pullback before I will long it. So and I want to see this pullback at least 50% Fibonacci, which is this level for this vertical swing on lower time frame, but a higher time frame, there is need for it to still come down a bit, which is this particular OB. So that is why I marked that particular OB, and I'm waiting to see what the market will do. So based on the reaction of the market, when they get to this level or when they get to this level, then I will know what next to do. But from here, if I see this go to the upside, take away this liquidity when they hit this level, once you take away this liquidity when you hit this level here, then that means that anything from this level, I'll be expecting them to come down to come and mitigate this level before we go to the upside. US30, the same thing. So I'll be expecting to see this because it has broken structure. So I want to see a correction before I'll take long. And this is USDJPY. USDJPY, I want to see a kind of a correction to the upside, then to mitigate this particular block right here. Once this is done, possibly because up to now, this is still an uptrend until I see a break below this particular level before I will see this market has changed. But for now, I want to see a correction down, then I'll go long. Then for JPY, also, I want to see a kind of a correction down. All right, this has grabbed this liquidity. It has grabbed this liquidity, has broken structure. It pulled back. Market got to this level and began to come down. So I want to see them come down. I want to see them come down. So when they come down to this level, I will look forward to take a buy to the upside. All right, until when I see this level here taken off, which this level here taken out, because this level is a swing low, the last swing low before they pull to the upside. So once I see this, once I've broken this level now, I will know that market has actually changed a direction. Then I will begin to look for a sell. But for now, my bias is still to the upside for now. So this is where we'll draw the curtain on today's analysis. Kindly subscribe and also hit some button so that you can always get our analysis every single time it's been uploaded. Help also extend this and share it with your friends, all right? Especially those who are encountering difficulties. And if you want to master how to trade forex, just as we do, if you want to master how to trade forex and make money and build career in forex trading, so you can chat me up or chat the admin up with the number written down below. So thank you very much and stay safe.